What's up, guys? So as you can see, I just installed some Auxbeam LED headlights for the Cobra. They had emailed me and asked me if I wanted to do a review, so they sent them out to me for free. And there will be a link in the description to these lights on their website if you guys want to pick them up for yourself. But yeah, so far, I mean, they look great. They're a lot brighter than the stock headlights, you know, which is nice. You can actually see now. So if you look way out there, it's like way better than the stock setup. So definitely happy with that. They're super quiet. I know, like, their previous models, I think, have had like some loud fans in them and stuff like that. These are nice and quiet. But yeah, it's kind of what they look like. So overall, they fit real nice. They popped right in, and I didn't have any issue with that. As you can see, the New Edge headlights are super easy to swap the bulbs out of. So that was nice. But definitely a huge improvement over stock for sure. Yeah, definitely a different color, a white light. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see on here, but my headlights are really kind of beat up. So I do have a set coming to me soon here from LMR. So those will kind of make these look a lot better. You guys can't really see, but they're all like a bunch of rock chips, and then along the edge on the side here, the clear coat is peeling. So I'm gonna get some fresh housings put in, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, so until then, this looks great. They did send me their fog lights, but the fogs did not fit my Cobra, so I won't be installing those. So those will be back to standard. So, but anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.